Our next sky that we're going to do is a stormy sky. And you can use dark purple, dark blues, leave some white areas. And we're going to build it up. It's a process that we're going to take a little sprayer and get the paint moving. We're really just going to put down the paint and get on the sides and spray it. So getting a little spray bottle, this is a very fine little mist, and I'm going to show you how to manipulate and move your clouds, your storm clouds, without using a brush. And I'm going to leave some areas of white. Okay, I'm going to get my Prussian blue, ultramarine blue, or cobalt blue. It's your choice. Everybody has different colors. I'm going to pull out some purple here. So here we go. We get to play. And I'm going to just drop it in. I'm going to come in with my blue here, a little bit of purple down in here. I'm going to connect this. And this is where I get the bottle, the little spray bottle, and I'm coming in, just hitting it on the sides. That's how you can do rain clouds too. And keep up on your drips on the side and just pull this down. I'm not liking how this is. Just gonna pull this down a little bit. But ooh, it's so fun. Isn't that cool? How it just manipulates. This is where you can put in a seagull, a little bird, or a little bit of light. Again, when you're using a blow dryer, don't put it down super close. You got to hold it about a foot away, otherwise you'll be pushing the paint. Now, that might be just perfect for you. You may want to darken it though. It's up to you, depending on how dark you went the first time. But I'm going to show one more layer, getting it a little bit more intense. So I'm coming in with my dark color, and I'm going to just pop that right on up in here in the corner along here, my purple. Again, I'm taking my spray bottle, I'm not painting it. Let's say I want to put in a little bit of warm color. It's all been quite cool. So just for fun, I'm going to put in a tiny bit of orange down here. Now I can pick that up, manipulate that, and move it. I don't want a hard edge forming here, so this is where I'll take my brush and just kind of soften that. I have this light area in here. I could do another pass on this and another pass. I did probably 4 passes on this to build that dark. I kept just putting it on thick. You want it real thick, not much water, and spray it out. So there's my sky. I'm going to let that dry, and that's a wonderful, fun way to do a sky.